Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change the size of our assistant menu button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, where to find this button? We need to open our settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and under interaction and dexterity we have our assistant menu. What does it do? We need to allow this function here. What does it do? We have a little button now. When we enter it, we have our shortcuts to our functions. We can back out and our phone will back out. But let's go back. Accessibility, interaction, dexterity, assistant menu. We enter this menu here. We can change size of our menu. Right now it's small. We can make it a little bit bigger in this menu if we need to. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.